Neurons or nerve cells are a type of cell that is specialized in transmitting information. They vary in structure and type, but overall consist of the same features. Each neuron consists of a soma, which is the cell body. The cell body houses the main components typical of all animal cells, such as the nucleus, rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, ribosomes, and microtubules. Off from the cell body, there are two kinds of processes or extensions. The first kind are the dendrites. They're the shorter of the two. There are usually many of them present and they branch out from the cell body. Dendrites are often covered in spines called dendritic spines. The dendrites are involved in bringing information to the cell body. The second kind of extension is the axon. There is usually only one axon present. The point at which the axon connects with the cell body is called the axon hillock. Axons are much longer and usually lack any branching along its length, but instead branches at the end. The ends of these branches are called the axon terminals. The axon is involved in taking information away from the cell body. The axon can either be myelinated or not myelinated. When the axon is myelinated, it consists of Schwann cells that make the myelin, creating a sheath along the axon. The gaps between the myelin are called nodes of Ranvier. Longer axons are usually myelinated as they help conduct information down the long axon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos.